Hi, I'm Franz Anthony Israel. I'll be doing the penetration labs. So in this video, I'm gonna do the laboratory 9, which is ID and IPS and firewalls. So here, I'll be doing the pfSense. So as you can see, I already installed the pfSense. In the settings, you can see that in the pfSense, there are two adapters enabled, one for the WAN and one for the local area network. And let's log in the pfSense. Start. Press F1. So as you can see, this is the IP address of the one 192.168.20.25, and this will be the IP address of the local area network, which is it has 24 bits, which it has until 256 IP addresses. So you could make some changes with your setup by selecting the options, but now just to speed up, we'll go to our configurator. We'll go to the pfSense. So we're gonna use this IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. So we'll open it in Mozilla. We'll just try if we can connect, because sometimes the Wi-Fi will not allow us to enter. So 192.168.1.1. So here, the username for the pfSense, the default is admin, and the password will be pfSense. So we're gonna log in. So as you can see, we have our one, which is our interface. You can see our interface, and this will be our local area network. So this is the IP address of the one, and this is the IP address of the local area network. Here in the pfSense, we see that they are connected. So one of the tasks here is to do the firewall. So we'll go to firewall, and we're gonna apply some rules. So as you can see, the one, this is a default. We'll just leave it that way, and let's do the local area network. In the local area network, there is a default where there's an anti-lockout rule. The anti-lockout rule will enable you to, once you, example, if you close the website, you will not be locked out. Once you type the IP address again, you still be in the pfSense. So we're gonna set some rules here. These two ports are the one is the HTTPS, and one is for the HTTP. So I'll just gonna delete this one, is these two. This one allows any rule. We'll just delete and we'll create our own rules. So apply changes. Then after that, This one is add above the list, which will be added above, or add below the list, below this list, because once the rules is applied, it should be in order. The rules will follow from top to bottom, so we'll just do the add below. Add here, we'll put this on pass, because we will allow it. Our rule is to allow it. So the next one, for this one, I'll be doing the ICMP, which is I use for pinging. So I'll go to LAN. The protocol will be ICMP. I just select any. Then the source, we'll use it to the LAN net, which is the source will be the all of the machines connected to the network is allowed to use the IMCP, where you could then we'll just leave it this way. Destination, yeah, and save. So as you can see, it's already added. Then we'll apply changes. The next is I will be adding the rule for the SSH, which is for file transferring to the web server. So I'll just add and still LAN. At this time, I'm gonna select TCP. The protocol will be TCP. The source will be same, local area network net, so that all machines that are connected to the network. Then the destination will be SSH, where as you could see, SSH is not here. SSH here. Then save. So as you can see, the port is on the SSH. It's port 22. So another one is I'm gonna add also the DNS, so that I can type the domain name to a website and not using the actual IP address of the website. So I'll just add, then local area TCP, the source will be no. I'll just select the DNS, that is port 43. I'll just leave it to any, and the DNS will allow me to use the domain name instead of using the website. So DNS is added. And the next one is I'm gonna use the uh, actually I will apply. Then the next one is I'm gonna add the HTTPS, which is the HTTPS, which is the port 443. I'll enable that one. Save and add. I'll also add the HTTP destination port 80 and save. And after that, you always click apply. So this one we could actually edit everything. Example, the source. So we could also add, we could do edit, and we could change the source to lab9, or I'll just leave it as any. This will enable you to control all your firewall, the which ports are to be used. We allow all, but only in the specific ports. We're not allowing any other ports open. So as and the protocols will be as followed. So this will be the beginning of the protocol. The next will be executed will be the next one, and it will follow us. It will it will be executed in order from top to bottom. You could change the sequence by just dragging up, so that the sequence will be changed again, and it will follow us from top to bottom. So after that, you could change, you apply changes. Stay on the page. Yeah, and that's it. There's an error with my connection, so leave the page. So all the settings had been applied to the power loss and reloading to the background. So I'm just gonna log out, and I'll go back to the system. So this is the admin. All users, database settings, and I'll go to so that's how you apply rules in your local area network. So as you can see here, the updates, it's connected, shows that it is connected. So I'm just gonna log out this one, because sometimes there's the network, the IP address won't be will be pfSense will be not be open to the browser. So sometimes they will cut off. I'm just using right now so I'll just log out this one, because there's a limit. I'll show you the interface. This is the interface. This is our local area network. This is the MAC address. This is the IP address. As you can see, this is the IPv4. We can block the some of the block private networks and local address, or block the bookman networks. We could actually enable this one, but I'll just leave it not enabled. So I'll just log out. Yeah, I'm already logged out with pfSense, and as you can see in the pfSense, we're able to connect the we are able to open the pfSense by using this IP address, the local area network address. So that's it, and thank you.